Hey car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Palisade, a standout SUV that truly deserves its place as the best SUV in the world. The Hyundai Palisade made its debut in 2019 as Hyundai's flagship SUV, and it has quickly become a top choice for families and adventure seekers alike. With the 2025 model, Hyundai continues to enhance its reputation with improved features and technology. The 2025 Palisade is packed with features that set it apart. It boasts a high and strong body, providing excellent visibility and a commanding presence on the road. This SUV offers ample cabin space, comfortably seating 5 to 7 passengers, making it perfect for long trips or daily commutes. Under the hood, the Palisade delivers impressive performance with its powerful engine and advanced all-wheel drive (AWD) system. It's built to handle various terrains, ensuring a smooth and confident drive whether you're navigating city streets or off-road adventures. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and luxurious interior. The cabin features high-quality materials and advanced technology, including a large touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, and versatile seating arrangements. It's designed to offer both comfort and convenience for all passengers. The exterior of the 2025 Palisade is equally striking, with a bold design that includes a large grille, LED headlights, and sharp lines. Its high ground clearance and robust build not only enhance its off-road capabilities, but also give it a modern, commanding look. If you're interested in this incredible SUV, now is the time to act. Check out the latest deals and special offers to get the best price on the 2025 Hyundai Palisade. Don't miss out on this opportunity to secure a top-tier SUV with unbeatable value. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade is an exceptional choice if you're in the market for an SUV that combines luxury, performance, and practicality. Like, subscribe, and share this video to keep up with the latest in automotive news and reviews. Discover why this SUV is the best in the world. You need to know this car before you buy it.